everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to the new video. Thank you so much everyone for coming back. If you are new here, my name is Anita Mavita Double Star. Please guys, help me to subscribe and give the video thumbs up. It helps a lot. Mbote na bien so ba famille, merci na ndenge bozongi lisu liboso na ngai. Soki ezamba na liboso talanga kombo na ngai ezali Anita Mavita Double Star. Pardon, aidez-moi partager, liker, commenter, s'abonner. Yangwana esalaka ba video na biso malamu. Guys, in today's video is about new collection from H&M. Bande kolanga na video nanga lelo ezali collection ya sika oyo ekoti na kati H&M. First look I picked up is these two sets. Guys, as I always say, with two sets you can't get confused, you can't get lost. It's easy and simple to go. Guys, look at these two sets. Look at this jumper. It's t-shirt. It looks like a jumper, but it's not jumper. It's summer collection. Look at the color. Look at how beautiful it is. Look at the skirt. It's long. Look at the skirt. Let me go back. It's long. It's so beautiful. It's so nice. It's comfortable. Even the material is not that heavy. It's so light, very nice. Even the color, so beautiful. Is you can wear this for these two seasons. You can wear this in summer, in winter, any season you can wear this. It's not that heavy. It's light. It's cotton, it's light. The material is very nice, it's very pretty. Even when you put it on, it's so comfortable. It's not like, it's very nice. You can wear this everywhere, as I always say. When you go to a birthday party, dinner, you go out with your friend, you going out, you going somewhere, you can wear this. It's very nice, guys. Very nice, very beautiful, very comfortable. Look at how it is. I got the top in size M. The price was $18.99. Nazui elamba ona 18 livres 99. Et puis the top, the pants, the skirt, I got this in size M. The price it was $19.99. Basically this one is £20 and this one is £19. Nazui jip oyo na prix ya 19 livres, donc 20 livres. Et puis nazui elamba likolo 19 livres. Ba famille nanga eza vraiment kitoko makasi, eza pena bien soko lati yango partout place ozokende. Ozokena ta na restaurant, ozokena anniversaire mutu, ozokena okoka ata place moko vite fait, eza pena kitoko makasi. Bomoni ka ndenge ezali. Bomoni ndenge vandinga na nzoto, so beautiful ba famille. Dans na prix moko eza nango normal, dans 20 livres, 19 livres, ça va quand même. O lati pe lamba bo okepe place, mutu pa koyeba te ke au prix au sombelang eza vraiment kitoko makasi. Guys, you can wear like this with anything. As I always say, if you want to look classic, avoid mixing too much color. Something like this, come on guys. For me, Anita, I can wear with black shoes or white shoes. Or you can also wear with maybe red shoes. It's up to you. But don't put like 4 colors. We are allowed to wear 2 colors or 3 colors, but it depends on the color. If you want to look classic, always avoid too much color. Bande kona ngai kolata ezalaka kaka yo moko ndenge ozo classer bilamba na yo. Mingi lingaka ko inviter kolata ka bilamba ba couleur ya makasi ya ko sangsa. Eloko loko elamba oyo ngai muto kwa nganita no la tona eloko ya noir et bien eloko ya pembe. Sac ya noir be sac ya pembe be sac ya nini. Na ko la tongo pe na rouge. Mais na ko tala rouge ni o ngala zo la tanango pour esbimanga bien. Guys, something like this. Simple makeup, simple hairstyle, some nice bag. You don't have to wear designer bag, but some nice bag, nice shoes, or nice slippers, nice sandals, nice heels. Darling, you look beautiful. You look wow. Some this is so beautiful, it's so comfortable, it's so lovely. I'm in love with this. I love it. It's so pretty. The next look I picked up this green. Oh guys, I'm telling you, I am in love with this. Look at that, so beautiful. It's new collection, guys. Is new collection. It's green. It is that dark green. It's so beautiful. It's so sexy, guys. Look at this too. It's so nice, guys. I'm telling you, with this, when I pick up something, that means it's nice. Yes, that means it's nice. You see, to dress, it depends on you. To dress, it depends the way you put it on. You can buy something expensive, but if you don't know how to dress, or if you don't know how to put them on, you will still get confused. But luckily, 2 sets like this is always easy, simple to go. You just take both of them, you put it on, and you go. Look at these 2 sets. It's so beautiful. It's so sexy. It's the same as the other one. Very nice, very comfortable. It's not that heavy. It's cotton. It's not that heavy like something for winter. No, you can wear this now. You can wear this in winter, but you know winter will be cold. Maybe you will need to put like some leggings inside. But now you can wear without leggings, just the way I wear my one, with nothing, just like this, because it's not that heavy. It's light. It's for summer. This new collection is for summer. It's so beautiful. It's so nice. It's so sexy, my darling, my love. It's so nice. I got this in the same. I got this in size M. The price is $19.99, and I got this in size M. The price is $18.99. Basically, is £19. So nazui jupe oyo na 19 livres non na 9 to wakalo wa 20 livres, et puis nazui elamba na ngadi na 18 livres non na 9. Donc nyo sotimi balo ba famille na ngai eza vraiment kitoko, eza kiloté, eza tricot moko bo eza kiloté pour na hiver. Eza pona été mokola tompe na hiver, mais hiver esenga fota mo elamba mo na kati otia na kola na kati pona malili, mais na minute okola tonga kabo eza pena kitoko. Bota la jupe o eza mulai, mais eza sexy tango tango na nzoto. Bota la kandenge vandinga na nzoto bongo olati bo vraiment kitoko, simple boy. Ok na ope na anniversaire mutu, ok na ope kotala bat na ndaku, ok na ope na rendez-vous moko boy. Ok kosala bashana yo, ok kabandenge mandeto mesana na biso bana basi ba kotambola tambola olati na boy. En tout cas, trop simple, nice. Something like this, guys. My love, where you are, darling. You look simple, but you look classic. You look sexy with white shoes, black shoes, red shoes. It depends on you. For me, you know me, I don't like too much colors. I can wear like this with white, with black. I'm not gonna think about pink. I'm not gonna think about red. The only thing I can mix it for this is black or white. That's me, because I like to dress simple and classic. I don't like too much color. I don't like too much flash color. So these two, the color is not that bad. The color is so pretty, it's so nice, it's so beautiful. Is amazing. So be invité ba couleur bele yango ne salaka ba mbriema too much. Salaka effort ya ko invité ba couleur. Soko lingi obimaka classique, obimaka simple, invitaka ba couleur moko boy. Po ba place mususu batu bakendaka esenga ba couleur moko boy te. Some place you go, you don't have to wear too much colors. You can only wear 1 color, 2 color, that's it. Like something like this color perfect, this color perfect. You go somewhere, you wear like this, you look wow. You look wow, darling. You confuse people. People don't ask you, oh, where did you get these clothes from? Because the way you put it on, the way you mix with your stuff, you always confuse people. That's why I always say, guys, tango zo lata, il faut go lingaka o balansaka. O balancer pour o confuse bat o pesa bato confusion yangwana monde tambola bongo tango zolata foko lingaka ko sangisaka ko lingaka ko lata ba biloko moko boye ya ba couleur ezo flasher makasi za bien, mais air moko ezalaka bien penaté pour ba place muso senga ba couleur wana te. Something like this, no stress, No stress to think like, oh, what am I gonna wear this one? No, simple. Make sure you go with nice shoes and nice hairstyle. You see my hairstyle simple like this. You can wear your wig, you can wear whatever, but it has to be simple hair, simple makeup, a nice bag, nice shoes. You look wow. When you go to dinner, you go whatever, you look wow. People, they always look at you. So yeah, we have to save money. Cost of living, everything is expensive now. This kind of stuff maybe used to be 15 pounds, 10 pounds, but now 20 pounds for this. So my beautiful people, my darling, where you are, look at this. Imagine red. I got this top in red, darling. Look at this. Look at my, it's so nice. It is light, it's not that heavy. You can see, look, it's not that heavy. This one is for proper for summer. This too is for proper for summer, but as I said before, you can still wear in winter. As long as you got your jacket, you got your jumper, you'll be fine. But in this season right now, in this weather right now, this is the one. Look at this. Look at the skirt. It's so beautiful, it's so nice, it's so simple, it's so beautiful, it's so pretty, amazing. Plus this jumper mix with red shoes, red bag, or you can mix with black shoes or black bag. It will go. Of course your hair always will be black anyway. You can even have red hair, blonde hair, it's up to you. But these two, example, you got blonde hair and you got this is red, you got this is black. So far you got 3 color. So make sure you go black shoes, black bag, or you go red bag or red shoes, because your hair is already blonde. You got 3 colors so far. We are allowed to wear 3 color, but it depends on the color. Not very like flashful color. You look too much. As I always say, if you want to look simple, you want to look classic, please mind the color. Please mind the color. Too much color, it makes you look like if you want to look classic, you want to look simple, avoid too much color. So something like this. As you can see, my hair is black. Yeah, as you can see, my hair is black, so I'm okay. Black, red, my hair is black. I can wear this with red shoes, red bag, black shoes, or white bag, white shoes. It will go. It's go all together. It will be 3 color or 2 color. That's it. So darling, this one, this in size M. The price is £21.99. basically is £22 in size M. So I got this skirt in price £24.99. yeah, I got this skirt in price £24.99. basically is £25. so this one is £22 and this one is £24.99. something like this with nice bag, nice shoes, simple makeup, nice hair, darling, you look wow. You look wow, I'm telling you. But for me, nazui elamba o body obozomona eza kitoko makasi, eza vraiment kilote, eza pepele. Nazui yango na taille medium. Et puis prix nango ezali 21 livres 99 to baka 22 livres. Et puis nazui jupe oyo na 24 livres 99, nazui yango na taille S. Na taille S. The mid and small, nazo na size medium, small, jeep oil. En tout cas, jeep elamba onyosumi bale, eza vraiment kitoko makasi tango lati na yo boy. Obimi na oke no restaurant, oke no place boy, obimi no simple ba eza rouge, jeep nango eza noir. Suki nanga déjà eza noir. Donc de naza we naza na 2 couleurs ka na nzoto nanga. Donc na ko lata ngo le na saki moko ya pembe ou bien pona ko inviter ba couleur pona ko lingara na za nanga simple, mais na bima classique elo na ko sala na ko mema pe saki moko ya rouge na ko mema pe saki moko ya noir na ko lata pe sapato na nga se ko zala rouge saki na nga ko zala rouge donc saki na nga so ke za rouge sapato na nga rouge ekena oyo donc suki na ngai na jupe na nga eke déjà noir c'est bon déjà ou bien ce que na lati saki na nga noir ça eloko na nga makolo noir donc eke suki saki na jupe oyo c'est bon déjà tricot oyo body o etikali yango moko donc toujours invité ko sangisaka ba couleur belé et ça ra moto bima moi genre et ko zo ke na millier moko boy na ba millier mususu o biso to kenda ko ba millier moko boy tant on lati ba couleur moko boy et ça la moi genre mais tant on lati no moi deux couleurs moko boy o bimpe moi classique au côté pe place moko boy na moi miti mona batu moko boy o moni batali pe boy ba moni pe wow. My last item I picked up this mini skirts. As you guys know, I love mini skirts too. As I always say, some place you have to look sexy, some place you have to look normal. It's very light. Look, the material is not that heavy, it's very light, it's so beautiful. So I got this in size M. I got this in size medium. The price is $11.99. So the top I got this in size M. The price is $21.99. But for me na jupe oyo na taille ya medium. Prix nango zali 11 livres 99. Na body o na taille ya medium. Na prix nango zali 21.99. Vraiment guys, come on darling, look at these two. Look at these two. He's so amazing, so beautiful. Even the color is so nice. It's not them wow color. So comfortable. Even material is so simple. It's comfortable. It's amazing. It's so beautiful. I love it. Very lovely, guys. Very lovely. Since if you know how to dress, guys, if you know how to dress, you will never get confused. You will never get lost. You always find easy when you go to the shop. Let me take this, let me take this, let me take this, let me take this. So something like this, it looks simple, but when you put it on with your nice makeup, nice hairstyle, nice bag, nice shoes, you look nice. You always look nice. Just make sure that just make sure that you do some nice hairstyle, some nice simple makeup, you go nice bag, nice shoes, bam, you look nice. You always look nice. Again, please support your sister, motivate your sister, you know, it will look nice. God will bless you. So yeah, so that was my video for today. Thank you so much for watching me. Thank you so much for your comments. Thank you so much for your likes. Thank you. I love you guys so much, darling. Help me to leave the comment. Tell me which look is the best. It always help, and give the video thumbs up. It will help a lot. But for me nanga ezaki video nanga nengena la sabino pona lelo peut-être oza intéressé ya ko sala ba shopping oyo nga pe na sali eza problème te eza collection sika vraiment eye na H&M. Nous surtout aza welcome, aza bienvenue au Kinoko Somba. So voilà, nenga kina laksabino kwa biloko ekoti sika na shop. Peut-être oza na posa pe au Kinoko Somba ndeti nga na sombe za problème te. So pardon de na senga kaka et denga itikela nga commentaire yebisa ngai look nin oyo moni eza bien makasi na bango nyonso surtout et ça la kaka bien mo commentaire mo boto sika ya motivation, you know ça la. Merci na bino nyonso surtout vraiment merci pour na ba commentaire na bino, merci pour na partage na bino, merci ninge bo like, merci en tout cas na lingi bino mingi nzamba lola apambola bino to mona na mbalasima. I love you guys, bye. Mwah.